Hello guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. I've got so much to get done today, so as you can see, we are just jumping straight into it. Starting off in the bedroom, and then I have a ton of ironing to do, and I've also got to do the bunny's cage and litter trays, and just do a good deep clean in there, as well as the everyday cleaning downstairs in the kitchen and the front room. So there is so much motivation in today's video, so do go ahead and leave it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just jump straight into it. So on the days where I'm not actually changing the bed in, the bedroom is actually really quick and easy to do. So all I have to do is quickly make the bed and take the washing up downstairs. So I'm now downstairs in the kitchen, and I just need to do a little bit of washing up that got missed, and then put the washing up away from the night before, and then gonna head through into the front room, do a quick pickup, and then all of the ironing that I need to get through. But today's video isn't really a routine. This isn't a daily clean or anything like that. I just had a bunch of jobs on my to-do list, and I'm just slowly working through them. So I am just all over the place in today's video. In the kitchen, at the front room, then back upstairs, then back downstairs, and honestly just here, there and everywhere. So there is just so much motivation. So get your to-do lists out and clean right along with me.
Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so.
So I always like taking things out of the original packaging whenever I'm trying to organise, so that is a little tip. It just looks so much more organised and neat and tidy when it's out of any extra packet. So I do just have like a tissue mounting in the cupboard, like a tissue wall, and it just looks so much better. So if you're trying to organise and you have loads of packets or boxes or anything like that, where possible, always take it out of the like extra packaging, and you'll just save so much more room. Okay, so I always get lots of comments from you guys saying that you enjoy watching the ironing portions of these videos, and I'm really glad, because today I had a ton of ironing to do and it honestly felt like it took forever. So I just made myself a drink, stuck the telly on, and just relaxed whilst doing it. I do find it so much more relaxing and kind of therapeutic to do it whilst watching the telly. I get bored if I don't have anything on, so I always need to have a drink and the telly on, just to keep my mind busy so I don't get bored. But I'm not going to speak over this because I know that you guys enjoy the ironing portion, so I'm just going to get all of the ironing done. So go ahead and iron with me.
Everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Could play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Why don't we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on.
Okay, so before I carry on downstairs, I really need to sort out this mess. As you can see, it's all just overflowing out, but the two buns are refusing to get out because they're just way too happy snuggled in there. So I'm going to try and do their litter trays and just sweep it out and give it a clean with them in there. Hopefully they decide to get out once I'm cleaning it, because I don't think they'll like it when I've actually got the broom in there and stuff, but they just look so cute in that corner. But as you can see, everything definitely needs a good clean. So I'm going to do that, and then we can head back downstairs and finish off the kitchen and the front room.
I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight it? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right.
So it's a good job that I love our buns, because this job is honestly the longest job ever, and it really makes me sweat. It's like a proper workout, I'm not gonna lie, but I actually didn't realise how much I could love rabbits until we got them. And honestly, if we go out for the day, I really miss them, and I find myself just looking at photos of them on my phone. And I know that sounds really sad, but they are my babies, and yeah, they are just part of the family, and I love them like any other family member. It's crazy how much they mean to me, so doing this is definitely worth it, and it actually just makes me really happy knowing that they're gonna have like a really nice place to sleep. And yeah, makes me sound a little bit crazy, but I just love them so much. So whenever this is done, I always get really happy, and it just makes my day knowing that they're gonna have a better environment to sleep in. So it's definitely worth it.
Give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
cars driving down the boulevard at night, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. Turning up the stereo in a place I didn't know till now. In a different part of town, I see new colors as the sun goes down. No, it doesn't even matter to me where I go, just feel I need to take a ride. I don't know when I'll get back, keep on going and relax tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
Okay, so now the bunny cage is finally done. It honestly took so long. I'm back downstairs now, and even though this room looks like it's finished, behind the sofa is just always a complete mess. So I'm gonna go in and tidy all this up, change that litter tray, finish off the kitchen, and then give the front room a good hoover over. But this is actually what it looks like, and it's so easy just to show this bit and pretend that everything is nice and tidy, but that's very rarely the case. And you can see the furniture that I'm halfway through flipping as well outside that I'll be getting on with a little bit later. So I need to try and whiz around and get all of this cleaned up and put away.
People on the street as I go by. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
Okay, so it's honestly like she knows when it's been changed, and she's just straight in there. But I'm just going to pull that out and give that all a good clean, and then everything to do with the bunnies is finally done, and I can just forget about it for a few more days because it honestly takes me so long to get it all done. So I'm really glad that it's finished, and I can now go in, put the little bit of washing up away, wipe down the sides and do a hoover, and then that should be good to go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, and I really hope that you found all the motivation that you came looking for. Do go ahead and leave it a thumbs up if you did, and also consider subscribing so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and I'll see you guys back here in the next one.